What is the Audubon Society and its mission? Have you ever wondered how birds find safe places to live and thrive? The Audubon Society plays a key role in making sure they have those safe havens. This organization is dedicated to protecting birds and their habitats across the Americas. Their mission is all about safeguarding the environments we share with these amazing creatures, both now and for future generations. One of the main focuses of the Audubon Society is the protection of birds and their habitats. They work hard to preserve the places that are essential for birds to survive. This includes migratory pathways that birds relying on as they travel long distances, especially as climate conditions change. The Audubon Society uses science-based conservation methods to identify and protect critical habitats. They study migration patterns and the specific needs of various bird species. This scientific approach ensures that their efforts are effective and targeted. What makes the Audubon Society unique is its hemispheric approach. They recognize that many bird species migrate across borders, so their conservation efforts span the entire Americas. This coordinated approach helps ensure that birds have safe habitats no matter where they travel. Community engagement is another important aspect of their mission. The Audubon Society inspires local communities to join in their conservation efforts. They offer educational programs that teach people about the importance of protecting birds and their habitats. They also advocate for policies that support bird conservation, making it easier for everyone to get involved. Supporting the Audubon Society aligns perfectly with ethical birding practices. By contributing to their mission, birders can help protect the habitats that birds need to thrive. This not only benefits bird populations but also ensures that future generations can enjoy the beauty of birds in nature. In the context of birding techniques, supporting organizations like the Audubon Society is essential. They provide resources and information that help birders engage in responsible birdwatching. This means being mindful of the impact we have on bird habitats and following best practices to minimize disturbance. By backing the Audubon Society, you are playing a part in the long-term survival of bird species. Their commitment to habitat conservation and community involvement makes a real difference in the world of birds. So, if you are passionate about birds, consider supporting the Audubon Society and joining their mission to protect these incredible creatures and their homes.